So I'm at Dollar Tree and oh my goodness, look at this. These are so cute. Look at this one. Oh, they even got little trays. Like for your garden. This is so cute. Oh, look at these. These are cute to use too. Oh, this is a good idea. Oh, these are cute too. Hey, welcome to my channel. I am going to make a Easter snow globe for my granddaughter today. And I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought a whole bunch of little cute little things that I could put in the snow globe. They are some cute little figurines. And not for sure which way the camera is going, so I'm just gonna put it in both directions. They are so cute. Little garden set, little gnomes. I even got these. Oh, this is so cute. I love these. They have so many. Look at the owl and the little snails and stuff. It's just so cute. Little stuff like this, you know. And let's see what else I get on this table here. I have so much just little knickknacks that I done picked up. Not for sure as I'm going to use everything. This is going to be my centerpiece I got from the Dollar Tree. And I got this one too. That's so cute. And I just like these. Ain't these some cute little clips? It's not going to go in there, but it's so cute. And of course I got the snow to go in there. And you're going to need a hot glue gun. And I also got this little table. It's so cute. And a little walkway. I think that's going to be cute. Go in like this. I think that'd be cute. I don't know if I'm going to use these, but I got them anyway. And you're going to see here. You're going to need some glue. You don't or hot glue sticks. Uh-oh, there it goes, flying away from me. Or you could use this super glue. Either one, whatever you want to do to glue it down. And you're going to need 4 frame glasses here. 4 photo frames, 8 by 10. This is the size I'm using. You can use any size. You can make it bigger, smaller. Either size that you want to use. And get some little thin mesh. Or you can use your sponge that people be washing up with. You could tear that up and it's still at the Dollar Tree. You can still make your little mash. This is just to go on top here to hold it, the snow inside, because it's going to be flying up. Okay? So let's get started on trying to figure out how do I want to decorate all of these things, because I bought so many of them. Oh, and I got this little basket. I just thought this was so cute. So when you're doing a craft or something, you can use this for a garbage can. Oh, that's so cute, right? So anyway, let me see here. Go on. Trying to figure out what kind of designs I want to do with this. And I know you don't want to see me open every single last one of them up, so I'll be right back. Okay, now we're going to hot glue it. The mash. It will keep the snow on the inside, okay? Let's just do one side. It's hot, so be careful. And kind of get it tight. Get something to stick it down. Very sticky. You just do the same thing all the way around, okay? Get my stick again. Ooh, hot and sticky. All the way around, okay? Okay, so this is what I have so far. I put them in there. I didn't realize that I got so many. And for the edges, I just used some Scotch tape and just looped it in between there and stuck it on the glass back there because I didn't want to put no hot glue on glass. So that's how I put the edges in there. And I also, you could buy this tape at the Dollar Tree also. And so, okay, so now since I placed them all down on here, I'm going to glue it down now. And same thing, you just use your hot glue gun here and just slightly put a glass underneath here so that way it won't stick to your table and it won't stick to your glass. So I'm going to lift this up and stick each and every one of them down with the hot glue gun, or like I said, you could use any kind of glue just to hold it down on your mash. And then I'm going to come back and show you how I'm going to put the snow in there, okay? So here we go. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put I'm just going to pour this into here, but I also found some Christmas ornaments of these little girls here, so I was going to put them in there too, but I just wanted you to know just going to pull this bag of stuff here. Just all into here. That should be enough. And I was thinking about putting this in here, but I'm not for sure. But if you do use this, use some foam and put it underneath here, the glass, and then you can stick them down into that. Just glue this part underneath here, okay? That's if I decide to use it. I'm not for sure yet. And for the cover, you just use your the mask here. Now remember, the first time I put the mask here, and then I put all of that the decorations in. Now this is the top lid here, so we have to put the mash back on top, so that way when it blows, it won't come out, okay? And I'm going to put the two ladies in here right now, and then I'm going to put this on here the same way. Just use your hot glue gun or any kind of whatever, just seal it up, okay? And then I will show you how to make the box, okay? Be right back. It's in the evening time. I had to have my Easter dinner and everything, and the little baby was happy to see everything. And this is the finished product. And like I said at first, what I did, I put the frames, photo frames, need 4 of them. It was 8 by 10, but you can use any size you want to. You put them together. You use like a mesh that you put at the top here, and the top and the bottom you put the mesh. That way the little snow go up and down at the bottom and at the top. And you can use a box or one of these things that I got here, and decorate it however you want it to be. And I usually use this small frame here as a fan that I got from Dollar Tree. And but my little granddaughter, she scripted the thing here, so I can't put a battery in here. So I'm going to use my big one right here. It might be a little too strong, but we're going to show you how it works, okay? So you just slide it underneath. And there go your snow globe.